Scano, Sego, and hello everyone. It's Monday, it's June 15th, and it's a new week. As always, I'm Lori Davis Hill, Director of Six Nations Health Services, and while a current state of emergency remains in place, I am Incident Command for the pandemic response on Six Nations. Since our last talk on Friday of last week, I hope everyone has managed to stay safe, healthy, and let's begin with seeing what's waiting for us in our wellness area. Well, today is a special Monday in terms of the male population amongst us. Today marks the beginning of Men's Health Week. This is a week that highlights positive men's contributions to family and overall health and fitness. I have asked Zach Miller, Administrative Director of the Six Nations Family Health Team, to join me today to share some tips for the male influences that may be in your life. Hi, Zach, and welcome to the podcast.
Thanks, Lori. As mentioned, this week marks the beginning of Men's Health Week. Over the next few minutes, I'll provide some practical health points for the men in our community to keep in mind as they seek to care for their own health. The first one is watch what you eat. The foods you eat impact your body in many ways. A healthy diet helps keep the body functioning at its best and can improve your mood. For example, omega-3 fatty acids are great for the heart, brain, and skin, plus they help reduce stress. Fruit is another healthy choice that can lift your spirits, probably because many types of fruit contain vitamin C, which can improve your mood. Pay attention to how you eat. It's not just what you eat that's important. How you eat can also impact your health. For example, slicing food thinly can make the same portion seem like more food, so you trick yourself into eating less. Chewing whole foods also helps to increase feeling full and in turn reduces calorie intake. You can also swap a glass of fruit juice, which is typically high in sugar, for a piece of a whole fruit. This will as well increase chewing, which then burns more calories in the process. Pairing certain foods can also be beneficial. The acid in vinegar helps prevent spikes in blood sugar by interfering with the enzymes that break down carbohydrates. Adding a slice of lemon to your tea can also boost your antioxidant levels, which helps strengthen your immune system. Get an annual physical. Annual physicals are snapshots of the current state of your body. For men, an annual physical assesses various aspects, such as the health of their prostate, blood sugar levels, their physical activity levels, etc. It can also be used as a tool to encourage men with knowing their overall health state and where they can work with their health professional to make any improvements. Spend time with friends. Strengthening relationships with good friends is a great way to relax and improve your mood. Go fishing, hiking, or other outdoor activities that can be done together in the midst of COVID-19. It is important to also stay open to those conversations about any life challenges you both may be experiencing as well, as this will only deepen your friendships. Work out regularly. Exercise is great for your body and mind. Staying active can help you maintain a healthy body weight, strengthen heart health, build muscle tone, and increase your confidence, among other benefits. It also provides a mood-enhancing boost that can help lift your spirits. Set your sleep cycle. A good night's sleep is important to help you feel and function at your best. Help maintain a healthy sleep cycle by exposing yourself to bright light early in the morning. You can do this by drinking your morning cup of coffee by a sunny window or by turning on any bright lights if the room is dark. Look into workout programs. Find out if your workplace or a local gym offers wellness or coaching programs. If so, take advantage of these resources to help develop your mind and body. Exercise your ears. Try using music to fine-tune your ears. Turn down the volume in your headphones or speakers to a level that allows you to carry on a normal conversation. Then practice focusing on a single instrument in the song. This can help to train your ears to perceive more details in sound, while also reducing the likelihood of any damage to your ears into the future. Savor the little things. Pay attention to pleasing sights, smells, and sounds throughout the day, and take a moment to savor them. Building short-term positive emotions can change your outlook and lead to greater happiness. Practice mindful breathing. Learning and practicing techniques for mindful breathing help reduce negative thoughts and promote relaxation. Try building up to 10 minutes of mindful breathing each day. Take a walk. Getting outside is a great mood booster. You can restore and refresh your mind by taking a walk outside in nature. It's great for your mental state and your body. Compliment your spouse or partner. A healthy marriage or union partnership can help to increase happiness levels and can actually be good for your health because it may lower your chances of getting sick or from suffering from depression. One easy way to strengthen your marriage or partnership is by developing the habit of telling your partner or companion things you respect or admire about them on a daily basis. Finally, stop comparing. People tend to be happier when they don't compare themselves to others. Try doing something to distract yourself every time you start thinking about how a colleague or friend makes more money or your neighbor drives a better car than you. Make the most of your daily routine by developing habits that help you live a happier and healthier life. Before we move on, Men's Health Week runs from June 15th and culminates this weekend on Father's Day. Remember to give dear old dad something on his special day, which is this Sunday, June 21st. You can visit menshealthfoundation.ca for further information that is specific for men. Once again, that is menshealthfoundation.ca.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Zach. It certainly is a lot of information to keep the men in our lives well and taking care of themselves. So now it's time to see what our numbers have in store for us. Since our last talk over the weekend, the province saw a spike in cases on Saturday with a rise of 266 new cases of COVID-19. On Sunday, that number receded to 197, which is a tally similar to cases seen as the pandemic was just beginning in March. Now back to Six Nations, our own records show a total of 14 cases of COVID-19. A correction to last week, one case continues to be active. 12 of our reported positives have now been considered resolved, and one case has ended in death. Testing has seen the province go above the recommended 20,000 capacity daily over the last week. At Six Nations, we have tested 864 individuals. 776 tests have results shown to be COVID negative. However, 74 people are still waiting for the results from the lab. 21 persons are in self-isolation under the direction of Oswego Public Health. The numbers in our adjacent communities: Mississaugas remains at one resolved case reported. Halden and Norfolk Public Health has 414 cases. 234 of those are active. 149 are resolved with 31 deaths. Grant Public Health Unit reports 118 cases. 8 of those are active. 106 are resolved and 4 deaths. Hamilton Public Health Unit reports 769 cases. 111 are active, 616 are resolved, and 42 deaths. And Toronto Public Health reports 13,330 cases, 1,367 are active, 10,981 are resolved, and 982 deaths. Phase 2 has begun, which allows communities and counties or regions to begin daily operations with lowered restrictions. This has begun even here at Six Nations with the removal of the checkpoints. If you do decide to visit Six Nations, remember to wear a mask at all times, practice hand hygiene, wash your hands frequently, use sanitizers, and please shop and exit our territory promptly while maintaining physical distancing. We thank you for your cooperation. The Assessment Center COVID-19 hotline is open 7 days a week to take your calls. If you have even the simplest, mildest of symptoms, the clearing of your conscience awaits, as we previously said. You can reach the Six Nations COVID-19 Assessment Center at 226-446-9909 or toll free at 1-855-977-7737. This center is restricted to Six Nations community members at this time. It is very important to continue to keep track of where you go and who you see on a daily basis, and even more important now that there are more people moving around. If you become sick, you will be asked about the past 2 weeks, and specifically the last 48 hours before you start to have symptoms. This helps us to identify where you might have picked up the virus and where it might have spread. Please keep Six Nations healthy and moving forward by wearing a mask in public, keeping physical distance, washing your hands frequently, and cleaning high-touch areas often. Now it is more important than ever for us to wear a mask. They can protect me from you and you from me. Think of masks as our new seatbelts. Watch Healthy Six and Six Nations Matters for virtual online Zoom programming. And a reminder, Ganeo's Health Center in COVID-19 operations is available only by an appointment through the front door. You can call Oswego Medical Clinic or Lab at 519-445-2251 or the Oswego Public Health Office for immunizations at 519-445-2672. When you have a booked appointment, you will be authorized entrance to the building and you will go through an active screening process to identify any symptoms. If you do not have an appointment, you will not be given access. Again, the numbers are 519-445-2251 for the Oswego Medical Clinic or Lab and 519-445-2672 for Oswego Public Health. Please stay tuned for more announcements as to how all of the other services in the community are adapting to our current requirements to provide safe care. If you would like to connect with the Six Nations Mobile Crisis Service, you can do so by phone at 866-445-2204 or 519-445-2204, and it's available 24/7. You can reach them by text Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4 at 226-777-9480, or by live chat Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4, and you can reach that on the Six Nations COVID-19.ca website. Before I close today, a reminder that COVID-19 is still here. It does not care that stores and workplaces have begun to reopen. It is the responsibility of each and every one of us to continue to practice the public health recommendations. Remember this for our frontline workers here in Six Nations and around the world. Please continue to stay home for them. Please stay home for all of us. Stay well and stay safe. Yeah.